Welcome to the Camping and Caravanning Club series of how-to videos. So you've got your tent, but what else do you need to go camping? There are plenty of great camping retailers who can help you put together a basic camping kit, but you don't have to spend a fortune, and in many cases you can simply take stuff from home. Our Only in Geddes is here to highlight some of the essentials you'll need for a comfortable camping holiday.
Here we have a standard air mattress, very useful, inexpensive and quick to inflate, quick to pack down. They help get rid of any of the lumps in the ground. Once you've built that bed base, you then need something to sleep in. For some people it's full bedding with a duvet. This is a simple sleeping bag, readily available from good camping shops. That'll keep you nice and cosy and warm on a cold night. Also something nice to sleep on if it's a really hot, sticky night. If you're using a smaller, more technical tent, then a more compact sleeping system might be necessary. Here's a typical example of a self-inflating mattress. This will unfurl and with a memory built into its foam, it will self-inflate and give you a very, very simple protection from the ground. It takes out the worst of the lumps. These aren't as insulating as a good thick mattress, but when space is at a premium or weight is at a premium, this is the only solution for you. Equally, the sleeping bag will be just as compact. This packs away into a tiny, tiny ball. It's very, very small in comparison. So-called mummy sleeping bag, because of its tapered shape, they take up a lot less space, but for some people they're just not as comfortable. So these are decisions you have to make about how you wish to camp. When it comes to meal times, you need to consider not only something to cook on, but something to cook in. Here we have a simple stove arrangement with some pans and a little kettle. You might like this. It's collapsible. Again, space saving, fantastic. This stove also has a grill. Not all of them come with a grill, and it runs on gas. The gas is a secondary fuel you'll need to buy. This is a Campingaz cylinder. Great thing about these is they're readily available throughout Europe. So if you need to change it on a holiday in France or Spain, you can. Gas isn't the only fuel. Here's another alternative stove. This one runs on a liquid fuel. Pots and pans generally for camping are lightweight. Melamine, plastic materials are often used to keep the weight down. Metals are good also, but again, you won't find a folding metal pan. Once you've finished cooking, you then need something to eat off. You can get lightweight camping plates, bowls, very good, very robust, incredibly strong, and they're made from melamine, and they'll last many, many years if looked after. Whilst on site, you'll need something to light the way. That could be inside at night, or actually whilst you're finding your way around the site, perhaps to get to the facilities block. For that, a torch could be useful, or a head torch. You will also need batteries to run these battery-powered lanterns. There are alternative fuels available. You can get gas lanterns, petroleum lanterns, and paraffin lamps as well. The so-called Tilly traditional camping lanterns are still readily available. If you do intend to prepare food on site, don't forget you need somewhere to keep it cool and fresh. Some people do carry a full camping fridge, or you could just get a simple cool box. What I'm sat on now is just one of those. It's thermally very efficient, but you must put cool things in it in the first place. It can't chill them down like a fridge can, but it will help keep things fresh. For some people, a camping essential might be somewhere comfortable to sit, such as a nice easy chair. These fold up and they pack away to very little when they're not in use. If you visit your local camping shop, you'll see there's a huge array of things, not just what we've looked at briefly here. You'll be astonished just what can be added to your camping kit to make the stay ever more comfortable.
If you found this video useful, be sure to check out others in our how-to series on our club website or on our YouTube channel. Happy camping.